Kia ora koutou. In today's video lesson, we are going to talk about how to use the Codap graphing software to help with your tatauranga investigations. All right, for starters, we've got our data up here, our year 10 responses. We're going to want to go File, Download as a CSV. Codap only understands data when it's in that CSV format. So that I have already downloaded. Go back to our Codap, and now we're going to go to the menu and we're going to import that data. Clicking here to search, and I have as my downloads my year 10 responses. I double click that and that brings them in right here. Once you've got your data brought in, we are going to want to make a graph. Okay, over here is the graph. We can then click on the attributes, be it Tane or Kotiro. Okay, we've got our data brought in. Now we want to make a graph. Now we're going to tell Codap what we want as our variables. So I'm asking you to do how many unread emails. So that means I'm not going to do that one now. I'm going to do one of the other one. I am going to go with how many texts have we received today. I'm clicking and dragging that attribute right down there. And for my second one, Kotiro o Tane. And now it's got it split up. Okay, what we want to now do is, if you want to make that a little bigger, you can do that. We now want to, from the ruler area here, okay, first of all, you might want to count. I can see there are 24 Tane and 31 Kotiro. Now, we can also find the mean. There it is, that blue line. I can see for Tane, the mean is 43. We're going to want to start keeping track of this information. So I'm going to choose a text window. If I don't want it there, I can click and drag it anywhere I like. And as I just said, Tane, we knew that the mean was 43. Mean 43. And also, find the median. Okay, the median, that one came up, that was the red line. Tane median was 4. Okay, median was 4. Now, one of the things you're also going to want to do, and it wasn't one of our options, as we see, I don't see mode. And when the way these are all boxed up, it's going to be tougher to see the mode. So here's what you will do. You will hide some of the outliers because the mode is going to be somewhere in there, but we can see they're not quite all the same. So click, and we want to hide some. So clicking, and I can now see whenever ones light up, those are going to be shown in here, any ones that are highlighted. Okay. Now what I want to do is hide the selected cases, and then click this reconfigure button at the top, and we can see it now sorts out the scale. So clearly, Tane have 0 as there, and the median change, that's simply because we hid some values. But because the 0 has the most dots, we are going to say the mode is 0. That's going to help you find your mean, median, and mode. If you want to go back and on I show all cases, that brings everybody back. There we go. All right. So there's how we're going to use Codap to find mean, median, and mode. Unless you want to do it by hand, you're welcome to do it that way. Any patai, please send them my way. As always, thanks for watching. And if you liked what you saw, please give it a like. Mauri mahi, mauri ora, ka kite ano.